Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a custom domain from Squarespace on your Google sites, then this video is for you. It's pretty easy. So you have to do is follow my instructions. So watch till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first, you have to go to your site. So here you can see I'm on my Google sites where the domain you can see this is a random domain from Google's that is not verified here. So you can do is first you have to go to the domains.squarespace.com. This is the Squarespace web page where you can register for a domain, or you can bought a domain or buy a domain from this section. You can search for your desired domain and you can purchase it with valid billing details. Now when you are logged into your account, if you don't have an account, you can log in or you can create an account here. Now when you are on your account, you can simply click on manage domains and you can find your dashboard just like this. Here it is. Now from here you can see there is no domains for right now for me. I have no domains registered on Squarespace right now. So this is the dashboard and this is the domain section. Now from here you can get a domain. So when you have get a domain from here, you can find the domain, you can copy that domain just like this, or you can find the copy button. Then you have to do is go back to the Google sites. When you have copied your domain, then without the www dot this suffix, without that you have to add it, copy it, and when you are going on your Google sites, you have to simply click on this gear icon. Here it is. Now you can easily find this custom domains section. So you have to do is simply click on connect domain to connect your custom domain. So simply click on connect domain, and from here you can find the www, and you have to add the rest of the name of or the letters or characters of your domain, so that you have already copied from the Squarespace domains here. Now you can simply paste it here. So for example, mine is just like this. I have added a domain here. So when you have pasted your domain, it will show that this domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership. So you have to do is simply click on verify your ownership. So each and every time you want to add a custom domain on your Google sites, you must need to verify the ownership of that domain. So it will just, when you click on this verify your ownership, it will just redirect you to the Google Search Console where you can actually verify your domain. So here is the domain. So I have just added it. Now you have to simply click on continue. Now here you can find this checking verification. So from here you can find this pop-up section where you have to verify the domain ownership via the DNS record. So this is the most important thing here. So without verification, you won't be able to add a custom domain on your Google site. So the first thing, that select record type, that is text, the txt, that is recommended, and another one you can go with the CNAME, but I'm going with the txt. Now from here you have to do is sign into your domain name provider, that is in this case Squarespace. Now you have to sign into your account and you can find the domain here. Now when you are on the site, you have to do is simply copy the text record below into the DNS configuration for that domain. So you have to simply click on copy button and you can see the code is now copied here. Now you have to do is when you are on domain here, you can simply find a gear icon. So simply click on it. On there you can find the DNS configuration. So on the DNS configuration,
domains dashboard, head over to DNS, then scroll down, click add records, and we need to go to type, and we need to scroll down, go inside of your domains dashboard, head over to DNS, then scroll down, click add records, and we need to go to type, and we need to add a txt record. And we need to go to, then scroll down, click add records, and we need to go to type, and we need to add a txt record. Now leave everything default here, but where it says data, in this text box you're going to right click and then paste in the search. Now once you act, so now click where I did, it's going to say ownership verified. Or you can go ahead and click verify. Now Google Search Console are going to look for that txt record, and if you just followed along and clicked where I did, it's going to say ownership verified. So now you can
oh wow. So when you have to this, you can find this type of, when you are on the overview here, you can at the left side you can find this option. So you have to simply click on DNS. Now when you click on DNS, you can find this add record button at the very bottom of that DNS page. So you have to simply click on add record, and when you have click on it, here you can find host, type, priority and data. So you have to click on this type drop down button and select the TXT, just because of we are going to verify it through the TXT format, and here in the data section, but the rest of them let them remain as a default. Now here find the data section where you can add the text or the code that we have just copied from the Google Search Console. Now you have to copy that and you have to simply click on the done and or connect, and then you have to get it back to when you have connected it with your DNS or the domain provider. Sure, that at this case it is Squarespace. Then you have to get back to the Search Console, this same page where you can find this verify button. Now make sure that you have clicked this verify button after adding the data, adding the code in this data box. Then you can find this success page. If all is correct, then you can find that ownership verified success message, and you have to go click on go to property. But when you are on your property, it will show like it will remain like this, that the domain is not verified, because it is not actually get the data yet. So you have to do is copy the domain. I'm going to copy the domain exactly like this. Simply click on cancel and close this. Again, do the same, click on this gear icon, go to the custom domain, simply click on connect, and you have to add this, and you can find a tick mark at the right side of this box here. So when you find this tick mark, that means you are available or you are allowed to use this custom domain to your Google sites. So that's how you can just connect a Squarespace domain on your Google sites. It's very easy. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question left yet, then let us know in the comments below, and subscribe our channel, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Till next time.